This is actually interesting. Let's do it together. We are asked to simplify 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2 plus 1 over root 8. Okay, solution. Solution. Let me stay this side so that I will not block your view. First of all, we have what? 2 root 2, okay, minus 3 over root 2 plus 1 over. Now, this root 8, let's put it in its simplest form. We know we can express root 8 as what? Root 4 times 2. Yes. Now, let's go ahead and solve. So, this is same thing as 2 root 2 divided by 1 minus 3 over root 2 plus 1 over. We all know that you can split this, right? Yes. According to the rule of this, you can split it as root 4 times root 2. Okay, now let's continue. At this point, we can write this as 2 root 2 over 1 minus 3 over root 2. Okay, so this particular one now, we have plus 1 over. Now, what is root 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 times root 2 is the same thing as 2 root 2. So this is what we have now. At this point, what is the LCM of 1 root 2 and 2 root 2? The answer is 2 root 2, right? So let's express them as the same words. Let them have the same denominator, which is going to be their LCM. Now, when 2 root 2 is divided by 1, you are going to have 2 root 2, right? So you still have 2 root 2. So it's going to multiply 2 root 2. All right, minus. Now, when 2 root 2 is divided by root 2, you'll have 2 remaining. So that's 2 times 3. Okay, so we are going to have 2 times 3. All right, plus. Now, this 2 root 2, we also divide 2 root 2 to give us 1. So we are going to have that one we got multiplied by what? This one. Okay, so this is equal to, now 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. This is what we have here. 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. Now, your number will multiply your number. Okay, so 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. If you have watched to this stage, then I think it's, and this is the first time you're coming across this channel, I think it's time for you to click on that subscription button and also on your notification bell. Also, don't forget to comment, to like, and to share. And that is the only way you are going to show me or express to me how you feel about my channel. All right, okay, now 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then root will multiply root. Root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. Yes, root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. This is it. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 can be written as square root of 2 times 2, right? Which is same thing as square root of 4, which is same thing as 2. So square root of 2 times square root of 2 will give us 2. So that means that when we multiply 2 root 2 times 2 root 2, we are going to have 4 times 2. And 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. All right, but I'm not going to skip it much, the stage much. So we are going to solve it. 2 times 2 will give us 4 times root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. Okay, all right, let's put multiplication to avoid confusion. Now 2 times 3 will give us 6 plus 1 times 1 will give us 1. Everything divided by 2 root 2. All right, let's continue. Now this is equal to 4 times 2 will give us 8 minus 6 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Remember, there is something called rationalization. So we are not getting to the end of the stuff. We are still solving this because you need to remove this root 2. So you need to stick around and see the final solution. Yes. So let's solve now. Now we have that 8 minus 6 will give us 2, and 2 plus 1 will give us 3. Okay, so you now have 3 divided by what? 2 root 2. 3 divided by 2 root 2. But like I said, in mathematics, it is not right for you to write to have a surd as your what? As your denominator is not right. So to rationalize the denominator, we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 2, since root 2 is what we want to remove, right? So we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 2. All right, now this is going to be equal to 3 times root 2 will give us 3 root 2 over 2 root 2 times root 2. Remember that root 2 is same thing as 1 root 2, right? It's just that it's not right for you to write 1 root 2, rather you write only root 2. So while multiplying this and this, as usual, you know how we did it now. 2 is going to multiply 1 to give us 2 times root 2 is going to multiply root 2 to give us another 2. Okay, so this gives us 3 root 2 over 4, and this is the final solution. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a great day. Bye.